Pandas, some DataFrame rows for given columns. I have the following DataFrame. I would like to add a column E, which is the sum of columns A, B, and D. Going across forums, I thought something like this would work. But it didn't. I would like to know the appropriate operation with a list of columns A, B, D, and DF as inputs.
You can just sum and set param axis equals 1 to sum the rows. This will ignore non-numeric columns. If you want to just sum specific columns, then you can create a list of the columns and remove the ones you are not interested in.
If you have just a few columns to sum, you can write. This creates new column E with the values. For longer lists of columns, Edcham's answer is preferred.
Create a list of column names you want to add up. If you want the sum for certain rows, specify the rows using colon.
This is a simpler way using ILIC to select which columns to sum. Produces. I can't find a way to combine a range and specific columns that works, for example something like
Yeah.